pink and white, but make it anything but basic. We're starting with Essie Blank, creating a crisp, clean French tip. The trick to the ultra sharp smile line, a round brush tipped in remover. For added detail, using Essie Pencil Me In, I'm placing 4 dots that graduate from tiny to big. On the index finger, we'll be doing a pink swirl. Start with a full coat of Pencil Me In, then take OPI Mod About You. Start with a small dot, then gently drag outward with a fine brush to create a loose flowing swirl shape. For the middle finger, we're doing a drag marble. Layer small dollars of polish. Then take the same round brush, give it a gentle mix and gently pull the colours through the nail. For the ring finger, we're doing a pink cow print. Start with a white base, then use your dotting tool and different pink tones to build irregular patches. Keep them uneven and overlap them. Finally, for the pinky, I'm going classic with a white French tip. For a glossy gel-like finish, seal everything in with Essie Couture top coat. If you liked this look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.